how to create account in Trading 212. So this is a step-by-step guide. Okay, so let's get right into it. All that you have to do is just go to Google and then type in Trading 212 and then hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Trading 212. It's going to bring you right here, and then over here you will find the option here which says that open account. Besides this way, you can also go to your phone and then locate the Play Store app and then open it. So from the search, just come and then tap on it, and then over here where you have the search bar, come and then type in Trading 212. Okay, and then come and select it. So when you select it, it is going to open. Come and then select the official app just like this one and tap on it. You'll be given the option from here to install it. Me, I have already installed it, so I'm simply going to open it. You too, when you finish installing it, come and then tap on the open, and then you can also create an account starting from here. So all that you have to do is simply come and then click on open account, and it's going to bring you right here where you can open an account. The first thing is to choose your country of residence. If it's among the list, simply select it. If it is not among the list, come to the search and then come and type in your country just like this one. When it comes, come and then select it. Okay, after that, all that you have to do is simply come down here to where you have the next and then come and then click on it. Over here, you have to take your time and then read through their regulations to know what you are going to sign up for. Okay, after that, all that you have to do is simply come down here to where we have the agree and then come and then click on it. So over here, you have to come and then choose the account. You can always change it later on. Okay, so we have the invest, whereby you can buy stocks and ETFs at zero commission. Beside this one too, you also have the other option whereby you can come and then trade leverages. Okay, that is the CFD. So you can select any of them and then you can change it later on. Okay, so I'm going to select the invest by clicking on it. So when you click on it, over here you have to come and then create your login credentials by putting your email address and then you set your strong password. Then I simply come here and then come and then check the box to accept their cookies and then terms, and then come and then click on create account. And over here you have to allow them to send you dividends, transactions, and the market events and all that. Okay, so to do that, simply come here to where we have the allow and then come and click on the allow, and that is it. You have successfully created your Trading 212 account. As easy as that. Like the video and then see you in my next video.